All right, here it is. Gotta be one of the best tile cutters on the planet. Montolit P3. This cutter's made in Italy. Folds up really nice. Let's open her up. As you can see, this thing's a thing of beauty. Spring-loaded tray. Helps with super duper clean manual tile cuts for hard porcelain. This cutter does 45-degree cuts. I'll show you in here. There's your 45 and everything in between. You've got your fence here. You can set it at any measurement, 9, 10, 11, 12 inches. If you want to make a different size cut, lift it to get it out of the way. Now the Montolit tile cutter comes with oil here. Simple to install. Cut the tip, install the oil on the wick right here, which helps to cut difficult, rough porcelain tile. It includes a little storage area here for backup wheels. Got the backup wheel. Drop it in your little storage compartment for that. And there you go. All right, let's cut some tile. I mean, would you look at that? All right, let's try some diagonal cuts here. Adjust it to 45 degrees. Line it up on your mark right there and cut. That's incredible. Let's take a look. Now that's a great cutter right there, guys. Now Montolit has a few videos claiming that it can cut marble. I've seen them. I don't have any marble. I do have some travertine. Let's give it a shot just for fun. See what happens. Looks like it can cut travertine. I don't believe it'll be very consistent, but hey, let's give it a couple more tries here. Decent rough cut. Hey, Again, very impressive. Let's test this thing. We'll do a rip with some high gloss hard porcelain tile. Extremely clean cut for a manual tile cutter. Well, there you guys have it. Possibly the best manual tile cutter on the planet, Montolit P3. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.